These are conservative, low-risk income-producing assets. The trade-off to its low volatility is that you won't earn as much as more aggressive assets. It's still a good idea to have a few of these in your portfolio to ensure proper diversification. According to some sources, the following are some of the assets that everyone can afford and that can increase your cash flow in this year. Number 1, silver. Silver is a precious metal that has many industrial and commercial uses. It is also a hedge against inflation and currency devaluation. Some experts say that silver is a number 1 asset everyone can afford. You can buy silver coins, bars, or ETFs to invest in silver. Number 2, dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are shares of companies that pay regular dividends to their shareholders. Dividends are a portion of the company's profits that are distributed to investors. Dividend stocks can provide you with a steady income stream and also appreciate in value over time. You can buy dividend stocks through a brokerage account or a robo-advisor. Number 3, real estate investment trusts. Real estate investment trusts are companies that own and operate income-producing real estate properties, such as apartments, offices, malls, hotels. Real estate investment trusts pay out most of their earnings as dividends to their shareholders. Real estate investment trusts can offer you exposure to the real estate market without having to buy or manage physical properties. You can buy real estate investment trusts through a brokerage account or a robo-advisor. Number 4, peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending is a form of online lending where you can lend money to borrowers who need funds for various purposes, such as personal loans, business loans, student loans. You can earn interest from the loans you fund and also diversify your portfolio by lending to different borrowers with different risk profiles. You can join a peer-to-peer lending platform such as Prosper or Lending Club to start lending money. Number 5, online courses. Online courses are digital products that you can create and sell to teach others a skill or a topic that you are knowledgeable about. Online courses can generate passive income for you as you can sell them to unlimited customers without having to deliver them personally. You can use platforms such as Udemy or Teachable to create and host your online courses. These are just some examples of the assets that everyone can afford and that can increase your cash flow in this year. Of course, you should do your own research and due diligence before investing in any of these assets, as they may involve risks and fees. If you need professional guidance, watch more videos on this channel. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching video. Subscribe channel, like video, share video with friends.